Hi? If you're thinking about trying Quietum Plus, or you already got your bottle and want to make sure you're using it the right way, this video is for you. I'll walk you through 5 simple, smart tips that'll help you get real results and support your hearing naturally. Let's jump right in. Number 1, take it daily with a meal. Quietum Plus is not a take it when you feel like it kind of supplement. To get results, you need to take 2 capsules a day, preferably 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening, with meals. This helps your body absorb the nutrients better and creates a consistent flow of support to your brain and ears. Set a reminder if you have to, but consistency is key. Number 2, stick with it for at least 30 days. Some people expect instant results, but Quietum Plus is a natural formula, not a painkiller. Most users start to notice differences like reduced ringing, less ear pressure, or more clarity after 2 to 4 weeks. So don't give up too early. Let your body respond and adjust naturally. Number 3, limit noise pollution. Quietum Plus supports your auditory nerve and brain-ear connection. But if you're always in loud environments or blasting earbuds, you're making it harder to heal. Try using lower volumes, earplugs in loud spaces, or noise-canceling headphones. Let the supplement do its job while you protect your ears. Number 4, stay hydrated and eat brain-friendly foods. Nutrition matters more than people think. While taking Quietum Plus, make sure you're drinking enough water and eating foods like leafy greens, nuts and seeds, fish with omega-3s, turmeric and ginger. These support your body's natural anti-inflammatory and circulation systems, which are crucial for hearing health. Number 5, track your hearing changes weekly. It can be hard to notice small changes, especially with things like tinnitus or mild hearing loss. So here's a trick. Once a week, write down how often you notice ringing, if conversations feel easier, if you need less volume on your devices. These small details will help you see the progress over time and keep you motivated. So there you go, 5 easy ways to get better results with Quietum Plus. If you're using it already, let me know in the comments what changes you've noticed. And if you haven't tried it yet, the official link is in the description and pinned comment with discounts still available. Like this video, subscribe if it helped, and share it with someone who's struggling with hearing or tinnitus. Thanks for watching and take care of your ears.